Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pengy token. Name of the token is Pengy and ticker symbol is also Pengy. Now this token was trending on DEX Screener. Right now it is trending number 4 on DEX Screener. This token is up 13,832% in the past 24 hours. The pool on Raydium was actually just created 4 hours, 6 minutes ago. This is a brand new token. And obviously, this has to do with the famous meme token, Peng. Now, this is Peng's girlfriend, I believe, Pengy. And we're going to go over the information on the Pengy token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Pengy token. So they have a Telegram at Pengy SOL. 342 subscribers on their Telegram. You can preview the channel. That's a great place to see updates regarding the project, learn more about the token. So it's a Solana meme token that you can find on listed on SolScan. On SolScan, it says there's 6 decimal places on this token. And they have a current supply of 99,999,346.26 Pengy tokens. So it looks like it's a deflationary token that started out with a total supply of 100 million. And yeah, this token just came out basically 4 hours ago. Brand new project, already trending, number 4. Right now it's up 13,500%. Going crazy. A lot of these Sol meme tokens just go bananas when they first come out. If they, attract attention, people think, Pengy might be the next big thing based off previous trends like the Peng trend. And then, the people just ape in like crazy. And it just goes all over the place. So be aware that these new meme tokens, especially these new Solana meme tokens, can be super volatile. So, just came out 4 hours ago. They already have 2,100 holders. They have a market cap, $910,720. There is $97,400 in liquidity in Raydium. Which brings me to, how do you get this token? Well, first of all, you would need a wallet, like a Phantom wallet or a Solflare wallet, Trust Wallet, MetaMask wallet, any decentralized wallet that holds Sol. You'd fund that wallet with Sol. Then you'd go into the dApps and you would find Raydium. And then using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is pengysol.com, you use that, trade your Sol for the Pengy token, and there you are. Now there is a 24-hour trading volume right now of $3.3 million. That's how well this token's doing since it came out. And also, in the future, this token will most likely be available on Raydium, possibly Orca, and then possibly some decentralized exchanges in the future as well. Some centralized exchanges in the future as well. So, yeah, total market cap right now at $848,000. So they're creeping up on $1 million here for market cap. So they have 240.43 pooled Sol in Raydium, which is equivalent to 4.98 million Pengy tokens. Now they have a quick audit here on DEX tools. First of all, they have a DEX score of 75 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 100%. And they have a quick Intel security audit on DEX tools. And it says contract is verified. No honeypot. No mintable tokens. Tax is not modifiable. And no other risks. Now, keep in mind, this is just a quick audit. It is not a full audit, and you should always do your own due diligence and look for, full audits and KYCs and all that type of stuff before investing in anything. Review the whole token fully. So they have a Twitter, which I'm going to put in the corner of the screen over there, at Pengy Soul. So this is Peng's wife, it says. Hi, I'm Pengy, Peng's wife. I'm a penguin on the Solana ecosystem. Then it has a link to their Telegram. It has a link to their webpage, all on that Twitter right there. So it's going to take you anywhere you need to go. March 2024, they just joined Twitter. 162 followers already. 12 tweets. It says they're from Antarctica. That's where all the Pengies are from. And in their pinned tweet, they also have the contract address up there. So it's real easy to find everything if you just go right to this Twitter right here. And it also says no taxes on buys and sells. So if you are going to buy or sell this token from Raydium or Jupiter, you most likely will not have to set your slippage, maybe around 1% if it's a congested network, which it could be. Solana is very popular. And it says mint is revoked. Behind every Peng, there's a Pengy. Pengy's wife, or Peng's wife. And then they also have links to their Telegram in their pinned tweet. And of course, there's going to be lots of memes all over their Twitter as well. And their Telegram, going to be lots of memes. So looks like they got married here. I don't know, there's a little video you can watch of them getting married or something on the phone. And I don't know. Interesting idea. Got some cool memes here. They recently got listed on Moontalk, which is a coin listing site. And Moontalk Express. It says they're also just put in a request ID, submitted request to be listed on CoinGecko. So that's happening soon as well. And besides that, on their webpage here, they have their socials. Behind every successful Peng is a Pengy. They have a link to buy that'll take you right over to Raydium. So it says, welcome to Pengy. Our small yet mighty Mrs. Penguin, with a hint of Pepe the Frog, brings a fresh breeze of creativity to the degen world of Solana. As the newest and freshest meme token, Pengy is here to spice things up. Join us in bringing warmth and gathering liquidity to a frosty Solana chain. Then it has the contract address. It says liquidity burned, mint revoked. And then they have the bottom of their page a link to Raydium, DEX Screener, DEX Tools, and SolScan. So you can check out all the info on there. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know what you guys think about Pengy down there in the comment section. Do you guys think that this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video. Subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.